Hey, I think you know us. I'm Ariana.
And I'm Daniel in full Pixar animation style, of course.
Today, we're going to show you how to easily add lip sync for 2 or even more characters in one shot.
And it's not just lips. You'll see body moves, hand gestures, and even eyes and face animations all happen automatically.
You can do this super easily with an AI that's both pro and really precise.
And the best part, there are tons of other tools to make videos and images right there too. For example, you can create videos using Sora 2, VO3, Kling, and the other AI models, and even generate matching storyboards or consistent characters for your animations.
So, as always, stay with us, and if you like this kind of stuff,
check out our channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really means a lot to us. Click the link in the description to visit the Design AI website and sign up using your Google account. Once you log in, you'll immediately see how many different tools are available to you. There are a lot of them, and each one comes with tons of unique features. For example, if you go to the video generator, you'll see that most major AI models are included, like Sora, Veo, Luma, Kling, and many others, all of which you can use easily. There are also several other tools that are super useful. At the end of this video, I'll definitely test a few of them for you. But for now, let's move on to creating an image and then turning it into a video with lip sync. To start, create a new project and choose your preferred aspect ratio. Now, on your project's main page, you can use any tools you like to move forward with your work. Let's first see how we can create the shot image we need using the tools here. If you don't already have your characters, you can easily create them using the character tool. It's extremely simple. As you can see, this tool is very advanced, and you can create exactly the kind of character you have in mind. If you already have your characters, you can go straight to Instant Storyboard. Here, you can place your characters into a shot within a specific location. If you're using the new V2 version, you can even upload up to 9 reference images. All you need to do is write a prompt, explain what each image is used for, and describe what you want to see in the final result. There's also another way. You can generate the entire shot all at once using text to image. To do that, just choose one of the available styles like Seed Reams or Nano Banana, write a detailed prompt, adjust the settings, and you're good to go. Whichever method you choose, you'll end up with a result like the image you saw at the beginning of the video. Since I've already created mine beforehand, I'll now go to the lip sync section and import my image here. Keep in mind that you can also upload a video or animation you've created and apply lip sync to that as well. The AI will automatically detect the faces in your image, and you can select them in order of priority. You can choose up to 4 characters to speak their dialogues. Next, on the timeline, you'll need to add your audio clips, adjust their timing, and arrange their sequence. You can click on each character's row and assign the corresponding voice. There are 2 ways to do this. You can either generate voices using text-to-speech and pick your preferred voice style, or, like I did, upload your own pre-recorded voices and continue working with those. Hey, I think you know us. I'm Ariana.
And I'm Daniel in full Pixar animation style, of course.
I'll just test the first few seconds of the project so we can see how it turns out so far. Hey, I think you know us. I'm Ariana.
And I'm Daniel in full Pixar animation style, of course.
As you can see, the quality is absolutely amazing. It's flawless. The characters are fully animated, reacting naturally to the camera and to each other. In my opinion, this is one of the best lip sync systems I've ever seen. Perfectly accurate. However, at the beginning of the video, the male character stays still, and that's because his hands aren't resting naturally on his legs. He's not in a relaxed pose. So I fixed that image, and now I'm gonna redo the entire lip sync process from the start. This time, I'll place all the voice clips one after another and generate the full 30-second video. Hey, I think you know us. I'm Ariana.
And I'm Daniel in full Pixar animation style, of course.
Today, we're going to show you how to easily add lip sync for 2 or even more characters in one shot.
And it's not just lips. You'll see body moves, hand gestures, and even eyes and face animations all happen automatically.
You can do this super easily with an AI that's both pro and really precise.
And the best part, there are tons of other tools to make videos and images right there too.
With just one render, the quality and accuracy are honestly incredible. Now, I want to test another shot, this time with more than 2 characters, and to make it more interesting, we'll use animal characters instead. This time, I'm going to generate the voices directly here using the built-in tools, and then continue from there.
I must not fear.
Find a comfortable place.
Hold on to your hats, folks.
Okay, if we get lost again, it's definitely not my fault this time.
You're the one who said, let's take the mysterious shortcut.
Relax, guys. If we're lost, that just means new adventure.
This one turned out really great too, and the animations are excellent. The only thing we could improve is the image generation prompt. For example, adjusting it slightly to change the character's gaze direction. I did that and regenerated the shot.
Okay, if we get lost again, it's definitely not my fault this time.
You're the one who said, let's take the mysterious shortcut.
Relax, guys. If we're lost, that just means new adventure.
Now, everything looks perfect and amazing, so you can be confident that even with animal characters, the results are fully reliable and impressive. If you're up for it, let's take a look at the video generator in this AI and give it a test. Here, I want to start with Sora 2, which was added in the latest update. As you probably know, it's really powerful. Sora prompts usually follow a specific structure, where different parts like subject, settings, and other details need to be written separately. After writing the prompt, we set the aspect ratio. Here, you can even increase the video length up to 12 seconds. Let's check out the results together.
This is amazing. Hang on, we're going higher.
Now, I'll test a few more prompts with other AI models for you so you can see their quality as well.
Woohoo! This is amazing!
I know, right? Catch me if you can.
I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, stay creative.